Alright guys, so I'm back in Unity. I wanted to talk about something that's pretty helpful. This is the Unity Manual and Scripting API. API stands for Application Programming Interface, which we use C# in Unity. Okay, so how do I access it? There's like a quick key command that you can do to access it. So if I click on a script here, like move racket, and I go ahead and open it in Visual Studio, I can select this right here, highlighted, and then I can hold the command plus the apostrophe key down, or if you're on a PC, it's control plus the apostrophe. Okay, so I'm going to hold that down, and then automatically I get this function. It kind of says returns the value of the virtual access. Okay, so it's going to provide you some information to help you out to kind of understand what you've entered. I think it's a little bit hard as far as the coding part. I mean, I'll be honest, I was like, there's so many, as you can see, but it can kind of help explain some of the things that you're not sure about. Okay. If you have questions regarding other parts of Unity, you can click on the manual, and it's going to provide you with the different drop downs, and you can click and find out more information about it. Okay, so that's how you can get some help without asking the teacher on Unity.